3 videos in one day. That's fast. Okay. Second one. They've given us between 0 and 90. So cotangent theta is equal to 0.8701. Well, I know cotangent is also equal to what?
1 over 2.
Yeah. So cotangent is also equal to 1 over tan. My calculator doesn't have cotangent in it, unless you have a really good one. No. Calculator doesn't have cotangent in it, right? So, in other words, if I were to switch this to tangent theta, what do you think happens to that?
Negative. Like, is that when you do, like, the negative 1 thing?
We don't have to... oh, you can put it to the power of negative 1. Oh, okay, not quite.
Okay.
Remember, cotangent... If I wrote this as a fraction, I just write it over 1.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So, in other words, if I were to switch cotangent into tangent, I flip this fraction. So it then becomes 1 over 0.8701. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then let's figure out what that is on the calculator. 1 divided by 1.149. Wonderful. Now you are right. I'm solving for an angle. I'm not sure. I should have showed you this. I thought you might know this one already. But if I'm looking for the angle, I have to isolate just that angle. So in other words, I got to bring tan to the other side. When tangent goes to the other side, do you know what it becomes? It becomes tangent inverse. Okay, so when tangent, and then you push. That's when you use tangent inverse on your calculator. That's when you push tangent inverse 1.149. Another way to look at it is to always remember is anytime you're trying to solve for an angle, you'll have to use the inverse function. Okay? So, in other words, now all we have to do is second function of that answer, and that'll tell us what our theta is. So theta is equal to...
Type it in.
That's okay. Let's just type it in.
48.9662.
48.962. Is that roughly what they got in terms of degrees? Let's see what they got in the back. Do this one. So, first of all, what is secant equal to?
1 over cos.
Yeah, so secant is equal to 1 over cos theta. Okay, so how would I change this around so my calculator can deal with it?
1 over 2.432.
So this becomes cos theta equals 1 over. We just do the inverse of the above. Okay.
Yep.
Now what?
Divide it.
So what's that?
.4113.
Awesome. And then what?
Cos negative.
Yeah. So I have to bring cos to the other side.
So 65.7.
What is it?
65.7.
What do they get?